Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to see how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now in this part 17 of this training series, we are going to see how to integrate our third-party tracking software, our central command system, Optin Dojo, with the funnel building software, Lead Pages. And also at the same time, we're also going to see how to integrate Optin Dojo with our autoresponder, Getresponse. So let's get straight into it. But before that, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So let's get straight into the account. Now, this is the Optin Dojo dashboard, and if you've not got your Optin Dojo account, then I would request you to check the link in the description box below in order to get my affiliate link. So it's not going to cost you anything. So please go and get your Optin Dojo account. Now, next, when you go on, click on the funnel that you have created, which is test in this case. So in that page, you can see the HTML script and also new lead redirect. So we are going to use both these scripts in our Lead Pages software. Copy the HTML script first. Now go to your Lead Pages account, and this is the Lead Pages account, and this is the landing pages that we have created. And when you click on the landing page that you have created over here, and you can always refer to the links in the description box below for the training series if you want to check how to create the landing pages. So here you can see the landing page that we have created previously. Now go to the settings section over here, and you have copied the HTML script over here. Copy it and then go to your Lead Pages and go to analytics, and under the head section tracking code, you can paste it and click on save. So once saved, just close it, and next go to your Optin Dojo account, and here copy the new lead redirect and go to your Lead Pages account and just click inside the form and go to the actions button, and then under the external URL, just copy this. Yeah, once copied, click on save and close. So always remember, after doing any updates, go and click on the update button over here. So once done, that's the end of integration with. Now this completes the entire integration of Lead Pages with our Optin Dojo. This is very important because we have to insert the Optin Dojo tracking pixel into our Lead Pages software so that we can pull out the buyers list from the raw list after promoting different affiliate offers. Now let's get into our Getresponse and how to integrate Getresponse with Optin Dojo. So this is the Getresponse account, and you can click on the email marketing where you can see the email broadcast sent, and you have both email automation and email broadcast. So we are going to create an email broadcast, and I'm going to show you the integration with Optin Dojo. So now click on the create newsletter and then click on by myself. And if you have not got the Getresponse 30-day free account, then I would request you to check my affiliate link in the description box below. Now in this message, I'm just going to enter it as test, and then you can see the from email address and subject line. I'm just going to be insert as test, and then add recipients. You can add the recipients to whom this will be sent. You can always refer to the previous training series in order to watch these videos how to create email or broadcast. So after recipients, you can go and click on the design message and click on existing message. I'm going to use my existing message. I'm going to use this template. Click on use template. So you can see one of the email broadcasts that we have already prepared, and you can just check out the custom HTML over here, and you can click and drag and drop it over here. So under this custom HTML, now go to the funnel which we have created, and under the funnel, click on email tracking setup and select your autoresponder as Getresponse. And here you have email opens and email links. So we are going to track the email opens. So go for the email open tracking for a broadcast email. Since it is a broadcast, we are going to create a pixel over here. And if it is an email autoresponder, then we are going to create a pixel over here. So here I'm going to just enter it as SES1, which is secret email system 1, and click on get pixel, copy this pixel, and now go to your autoresponder and then just paste over here to the right, and that's it. Now you have to enter the affiliate link inside the message. So just highlight this whole word over here and then click on the affiliate link over here, insert link. Now go back to your Optin Dojo in the funnel setup, click on the email links over here and copy this email link and go to your autoresponder and then paste in the URL and click on insert. So that's all, it's done. Now click on next and then from there you can send your email broadcast. So that's how simple the entire process of integration of Optin Dojo with our autoresponders like AWeber and Getresponse, and also the funnel building software Lead Pages, and also with the affiliate marketplaces like Warrior Plus and Explodely. Now the complicated part arises when we try to build our bias list B and bias list A and trying to promote them mid-ticket and high-ticket offers. And it's also how and when to promote these mid-ticket and high-ticket offers in order to get the affiliate sales. Now, you might be thinking, why do we need Optin Dojo as a third-party tracking tool even if we use solo ads as our main traffic? Now, we as an affiliate, when we get sales while promoting affiliate offers, the product owner or the product creator is not going to share the email addresses, because this email address is a buyer and it's very important for the product creator, because the product creator, whenever he's going to launch a product, his main aim is to build a buyers list. And why should he share with you? So that's why we need Optin Dojo to get those buyers email list, and from there we can promote the mid-ticket and high-ticket offers. And this is the main objective behind Optin Dojo. Once you build a bias list C and then from bias B and then bias A, then you can see the sales coming in and you can make $5,000, $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of the training series where we are going to see how to use the email swipes and how to create the subject lines and how to create the body content and where to get these ideas and how to transform them, all those in the next part of the training series. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice. Let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.